So what do we got here, Dad?
I don't know. A very ancient Caterpillar.
This is a Caterpillar. I think
Caterpillar 2000.
they call this a over something because you could, well, no, it would lift the dirt into a dump truck behind it, right?
Crazy. It's a relic from back in the day.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna get this thing fired up, and Crazy Larry, we're here at Crazy Larry's. He's gonna use this to pick up an old motor we found in the bush and then clear a path to an old late 60s Plymouth Fury wagon that I'm buying.
This is really hard to start if you guys never seen one of these before.
So what do you call this thing, Larry?
It's an overshot.
An overshot.
Yeah, the front lifts down
Yeah.
to load a dump truck behind it.
Yeah.
So it lifts right up over your head. It's
cool.
kind of a bit scary, but you know, to watch it, eh?
Yeah.
Or to be in there while it's doing it, but you get used to it. I did. I had to.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I did the whole
There.
drive.
Okay,
Did
you
the
ready?
whole driveway with this thing.
contact?
No, I just gotta open the other gas. I don't open the gas till I'm ready to start it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm gonna flood it.
Oh, yeah.
There's a gas thing here. There you go. And that's how you turn it off. Just turn off the gas. Now I gotta open this one up.
Not the most comfortable looking seat.
No, I got a better one. No, I got a thing, cushion in the house.
Oh, okay.
And now this is the choke.
Yeah, bloom.
So now watch this.
Bazoo.
It's gonna, you're gonna be blown away.
Oh,
sorry.
the can.
Can.
Yeah, I gotta do that. Here. Here, give me both of them. Put them right here. I got it. Okay, now. I just gotta pull this up this way.
Oh.
Yeah, this has to be up. So that puts it in gear to the, combined with the other one. This way. There we go. Okay, now we're all ready.
It should work, huh?
Okay. Close out a bit.
Wow. It's turning the
That's
motor.
just the pony motor. onto the trail. We're gonna film him cutting the path in, and we're gonna drag out that Fury. We just got this old Ford motor to do a Willa run on. That's gonna be fun, so tune in later for that. Exciting. Big mud holes, right? If I get stuck, you'll have to come back for me.
What I should have done
What?
put that metal thing with the thing wrapped in the thing.
Yeah. Okay, Dad, here it is. doesn't get ruined on the way out of here. It's because his tire's not turning.
Yeah, that's why.
And if one wheel's rolling, it's got to be in neutral, right?
You would think. I've heard of brushing the ground, but this is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Look at that little license plate.
Yeah, it's cool. It's going on my wall. Oh, it's gonna go off the edge. It'll be cheaper if he damages it on the way out. Oh no. He's not even looking. We can't even stop him if it's gonna hit a tree. Look at that tree, it's gonna take it out.
Yeah.
Oh, he just grazed it. Perfect. It's that mud hole. Yeah, that was the tree I was worried about, so it should be good now, because that's where it was really sloped.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the creek. Yeah. No problem. I got to get back through this again.
I know. Good call with the shoes, eh?
Yeah. Oh, the door's open. Wow. Oh. What?
This road is better than his driveway.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bit of a hole there.
A little bit.
Yeah, that should be good, Larry.